This is kind of the Balinese salad.
Okay.
Yeah, because that one is the combined with the hot and cold one.
Oh,
This
so
is
it's
the
like a mix of like hot and cold. You have the cooked squid, fried aromatics, and then you have the raw string beans.
Yeah, the difference within lava is this one. We have to make the fresh fried shallot,
Fried shallots.
fresh fried garlic, the fresh fried chili.
Okay, so I
to
see.
make
So
the
like this
flavor.
is kind of like the Balinese spice that we did before, but then this is what makes it different. It's
Yes.
the fried shallot, fried garlic, and the fried chilies.
Yeah.
I see.
Correct.
So you roast the whole coconut
whole
and then
coconut.
you grate it
Yeah.
after. Oh, okay.
Okay, so they will become like this. So I will make the vegetable first.
So these string beans, you don't cook them at all?
Yeah, we cook.
Oh, you cook
This
them,
is
okay. Oh, so you
we have
blanch
to
them?
Yeah, only blanch of the item.
So why did you say you cut them short again?
Yeah, if we haven't make this too long,
Okay.
because this is a salad and make easy to consume.
Oh, it makes it easier to eat as a salad. I see.
After squid is grilling and cook it like this.
Yeah?
So some items we have to resting to make them it's not so hot.
Oh, because they make it easier to cut.
Yeah.
Okay, so
sure.
grilled squid allowed to cool,
Yeah.
and that way you can cut it more easily.
Correct.
I see.
This we use the baby squid one. Yeah, it's not for the
Not the
calamari
big one. So it's not the one that you use for calamari.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think the baby squid is more tender?
Yeah, the smell is not so like the
not
calamari one.
pungent.
Yeah. This the blanch.
So is it very quick?
Very quick. Then we put here for the squid. Then we put the coconut. This. I think enough.
Ah, more
Use
of the Balinese spice.
Spice.
I see.
Yeah. For the squid one, that's all. You can pour it all the like this. The fried shallot.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Fried
garlic.
shallot. Fried garlic.
Right. And then the chili.
Fried chilies.
Just a bit.
And that is this chili or both?
Both one.
Both the
Yeah.
bird's eye and
Yeah.
the non-spicy. All right. So that's just to stop the cook.
Yeah, just stop to cook. This, like I said before, it might be not hot food, but it's not cold as well.
Ah, okay. Not hot, not cold.
Yeah.
So this, you're saying like this one, once you add it to other things, it doesn't last very long.
Yeah, because the spice is I mean is
Already cooked.
yeah, already cooked one. Mix them like this.
Oh, you're really just crushing them together.
Yeah,
Ah.
press them together like this.
Oh, it smells amazing.
You can taste it.
Yeah, I would love to
You
taste it.
want? Yeah. If you like spicy,
I love
will
spicy.
Make more
Maybe.
chili.
I'm not trying to prove anything here, though.
Ours?
Yeah, that's so good.
Okay. This is really simple. Yeah.
What is the saltiness coming from?
Saltiness? Other one maybe because of the Balinese spice.
Oh, okay, so there's like the shrimp paste and the spice?
Yeah, maybe squid is already seasoning.
Ah, so it's like a warm salad, not hot, not cold.
Yeah. This is like warm.
It's such a good texture. It's like salty, pungent, just a tiny bit of spice. But then the green beans are very, very nice in there. I like it when it's cut small. Normally I don't really get it like that.
The red chili is just to make the little one is the colorful only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's just used for color.
Yeah, because this one is not sweet. It's not spicy one. Yeah.